We are pleased to show you the 2018 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps, privacy glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.